Hey, this is David, and today we're going to replace the element receptacle on a GE range. The element receptacle connects the power to the heating element so your range can heat up and cook your food properly. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get down into this machine, why don't you go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons? It's an easy way to give us feedback and you'll never miss our latest videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire stripper, ceramic wire nuts, and electrical tape. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To access the element receptacle, we're going to remove the element and drip pan, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the single screw that's holding the receptacle. If you need to, you can raise the top. Most will lift up and lock into position, which makes the replacement a little easier. The new receptacle kit might come with the full length of wiring that goes all the way back to the switch. If it does, you can cut about 6 inches off the old wiring and splice in the new receptacle. After removing the old receptacle, cut enough of the new wire off to reach the surface element. Then snap the receptacle block into the metal holder. Here's the old receptacle, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new terminals into the receptacle block. Keep in mind that they only go in one way. You'll need to use ceramic wire nuts and electrical tape to secure the splice. You'll want to use ceramic wire nuts because they are heat resistant. Once you've spliced in the new receptacle using the ceramic wire nuts and electrical tape, now you can lower the top and put it back into position. You need to use the single screw to secure it to the top, then put the drip pan in, and now you can put the element in. Don't forget to plug your electric range back in or turn that breaker back on. You've made it to the end. Awesome work. And thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair went. And if you still need an element receptacle, just grab your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. It should arrive in just a few days. While you're in here, do us a favor and hit those like and subscribe buttons. We have tons of troubleshooting and repair guides waiting for you, plus all the parts you'll need to tackle the job yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Your support means the world to us, and we'll see you in the next video.